Hi everyone, here I have our Long Wera screwdriver and I'm going to show you the screws that it loosens. We'll start here in the head of the machine. We've got this screw that it loosens, this one here, the needle clamp screw here, and then also the take-up lever screw, and this is a reverse threaded screw here. Because the screwdriver is so long, we're able to reach above the machine to get the needle plate screws out. Works really well. Here underneath the needle plate, we've got the two feed dog screws. Works good for those. Here we've got the spool pin cover plate screw. When you loosen this one and other screws, it's a good idea to have your fingers at the tip of the screwdriver so that the screwdriver doesn't go sliding off the machine and scratch it. Stop back motion knob screw here. Here we've got these two stitch length indicator screws. Works well for those. This machine here has the school bell bobbin winder, so it's got the screw here on the front. Works good for that screw, and it also works with all the other bobbin winder tension unit screws. Here underneath the spool pin cover plate, it works for the screws here on the gear and the rocker arm. Underneath the machine, we've got the wiring bracket screws, the gear screws to adjust timing, the hook assembly set screws, even the bed cushion screws. Almost all the screws underneath the machine can be loosened using the Long Wera screwdriver. The screws on the hook assembly, the set screws here, do not have a large head and they're hard to remove, so it's important that you do not damage those heads as you're removing the screws. The Long Wera screwdriver has the perfect size tip to fit in that screw there. These hook assembly set screws can be accessed from this point right here underneath the machine. Before we started using the Wera screwdrivers, and specifically the long one, we had to use a heat gun to heat up this screw when it needed loosened. Now with the long shaft, we can get more torque and we no longer have to use heat when we loosen these screws. This screwdriver also works on all the screws for the foot controller, both the ones that hold the foot controller together and the ones on the inside to adjust the foot controller.